Say hi to mommy.
Hi, Mommy. I'm practicing
Ride the bicycle.
It's not a bicycle.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not a. It's a bike.
Bicycle.
Bike.
Bike is short for bicycle.
Bike.
Bike is short for bicycle. Here na, go. Try it.
Because it.
You have to pedal.
Yeah.
Wow! Good job. Now you have to go faster so you don't lose your balance. Sige na. Come on. Come on. Look, mommy, oh. Carlisle's riding a bike now. Oh. Go! Go faster nga. Before you lift both of your feet, you have to push down on the pedal. Sige na, dali. There, you have to do it the same time. Madali. See? Oh.
No, it's not.
Ay, you forgot to pedal again eh. Dali. Oh, sige. I help you, ha?